Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How will they come to your house? They will come walking. What will you buy? I will buy a bat and a ball. What are you going to do tomorrow? I will go for shopping. What do they have on the table? They have books on the table. When will Raja come back? Raja will be back at this weekend. How shall we reach there? We shall reach there on cycle. What shall we do in class today? We shall read a story. When will you finish the project? I will finish it after the English class. What will you do tomorrow in the park? I will do skipping in the park. Thanks for watching.